Internet Marketing Checklist Review. If your aim is to become an internet marketer, you might as well face some initial difficulties and you may have to go through a challenging time before you can rightfully consider yourself to be able to figure out the correct, effective and the most optimized procedure for launching your marketing project on the internet. And this is exactly where the IM Checklist program created by Kevin Fahey would come to your rescue. In this IM Checklist review, I will explain the way IM Checklist Guide would help you with various internet marketing strategies so that you can decide for yourself if you would want to buy this product. IM Checklist program has been created by Kevin Fahey. Kevin Fahey is a very successful internet entrepreneur. He is also a well-known business coach. He had originally created the checklists to guide his students in the course of internet marketing and to educate them with various marketing ideas and strategies. However, recently Kevin Fahey has made up his mind to introduce these checklists for internet marketing strategies to the general public for the sake of educating them to become as successful in this field as he is. The IM Checklist course provides you with the course of the perfect guideline that would efficiently help you with any internet marketing strategy that you may opt for, be it email marketing, offline marketing, search engine optimization, SEO marketing, blog, and WordPress marketing. This is a comprehensive product that helps the users improve their marketing strategies on the internet. Let us discuss the features of IM Checklist program. The topics that are included in the IM Checklist by Kevin Fahey are as follows. Product Creation Idea Guide. This checklist aims at providing the users with valuable ideas for online product creation. Email Marketing Guide. Social Media Marketing Guide. Affiliate Marketing Guide. Video Marketing Guide. Graphic Design Guide. This checklist will help the users to stand out among the crowd, and to exhibit the uniqueness of their products by following a strategic graphic designing guide for their marketing needs. Messenger Marketing Guide. Checklist for Outsourcing. Self-Publishing Guide and Checklist. Guide for Building a Business on WordPress. Offline Business Startup Guide and Checklist. The features of the IM Checklist PLR are described as follows. This product feature allows you to edit or add any graphics and rebrand your internet content in whatever way you feel like. This feature can be used for creating video training courses. The IM Checklist Guide can be added to paid membership sites. This feature allows you to build your email list. However, email lists can be created, using this feature, for individual sheets only. This feature can also help you build your blog posts or infographics, although, for individual sheets only. Pros and Cons of IM Checklist by Kevin Fahey. In a nutshell, first, let us discuss the benefits of using this product. They are: these checklists can be used for successfully launching a project. Users can use these checklists in order to get an insight into their own market or other markets, as and when required. This product allows users to sell their projects with full authorship credit. Users can create effective and strategic blog contents with this IM Checklist course. Users can use these checklists to create a video series. Users can add them on paid membership websites. Users can use these checklists to create effective email lists according to their internet marketing strategies. Now, let us discuss the cons or the disadvantages of using this product in this unbiased IM Checklist review. The cons of these checklists are: users are not granted master resell rights. Users are strictly not allowed to add these checklists on free membership websites. This product requires a monthly membership. Why should you buy the product? IM Checklist Review provides really effective guidelines to users, helping them become successful marketers. IM Checklist course is a user-friendly product. This product is used by the creator, Kevin Fahey himself in his marketing projects. You can, therefore, rely on this product as your essential marketing tool. If your goal is to become an ambitious internet entrepreneur, IM Checklist course is just the right product for you to buy and use. Price of the IM Checklist program and how to buy it? The IM Checklist program comes at a very meager price of $17 per month. Now, if you come to think about it, this price of $17 per month is a really cheap price, provided that the IM Checklists program are actually providing the users with so many valuable guidelines and suggestions to help them become really successful internet marketers and to improve their marketing strategies so that they can earn the maximum profits. So, in my opinion, any individual willing to see himself as a professional internet entrepreneur in the coming few years must decide to purchase this product that comes at a price of $17 per month. Besides, the user is also entitled to 20 hours of free training or trial pack before actually starting to use this program. This will ensure that the concerned and potential user is fully qualified to generate the maximum income by internet marketing strategies once she starts using these checklists. Now you have got an idea of the pros and cons of this product, and you have already realized the importance of this product in the context of your internet marketing needs. It is easy to decide, therefore, that using the IM Checklist course is a necessity if you have the ambition and the willingness to become a successful internet entrepreneur and improve your marketing strategies. This program of IM Checklist can be purchased from the official website of the product that is hosted by Kevin Fahey, the creator himself. There are also some bonuses offered on the purchase of the product. Make sure to check it out. You can find the link in the description below, and for any question let me know. Thanks for watching.